Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how to create your own custom filters for Snapchat. So this is going to be easy, so let's start. So to do this, you can go to create.snapchat.com. So once you're logged in, this is what it's gonna look like. So from the left side of the window, you can upload or you can choose from the templates to create your own filter. And also, you can edit the color, the text, and the elements of the filter. Now once you're done creating your filter, you can tap on next and you can configure additional information such as location, the time and date duration, and all of the other stuff. So there we have it, guys. This is how you can create your custom filter in Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.